Hello, this is John. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on email marketing. In this YouTube video, we will dive deep into the world of email marketing, exploring how to build and execute effective email marketing campaigns that can boost your business, engage your audience, and drive results. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting, this guide will provide valuable insights and practical tips to take your email marketing efforts to the next level. Section 1. Understanding email marketing. Email marketing is a fundamental aspect of modern business, and in this section, we'll explore its importance and relevance in today's digital landscape. At its core, email marketing involves sending targeted and personalized messages to a group of individuals via email. This direct and intimate communication channel allows businesses to nurture relationships with customers, prospects, and leads alike. One of the primary reasons why email marketing is essential for businesses is its unparalleled reach and effectiveness. It enables organizations to engage with their audience in a more personal and targeted way compared to traditional advertising methods. Moreover, email marketing offers a high return on investment (ROI) when executed correctly, making it an indispensable tool for driving conversions and generating revenue. Throughout this guide, we will delve deeper into the key metrics used to measure email campaign success and how to integrate email marketing effectively into your overall marketing strategy to achieve your business goals. So, let's embark on this email marketing journey together and unlock the potential of this powerful marketing tool. Section 2. Building a high-quality email list. Creating and maintaining a high-quality email list is the cornerstone of successful email marketing. In this section, we'll delve into the essential strategies and best practices to build a robust and engaged subscriber base. One of the critical aspects of list building is ensuring that your contacts have willingly opted to receive emails from you. Organic growth is key, as purchased or rented email lists often lead to low engagement and deliverability issues. To attract subscribers, consider offering valuable lead magnets such as ebooks, guides, or exclusive content in exchange for their email addresses. Additionally, segmenting your email list based on demographics, interests, and behavior allows you to tailor your messages, increasing relevancy and engagement. As you build your list, remember that quality always outweighs quantity. Focus on fostering genuine connections with your subscribers and providing them with valuable content that resonates with their needs and preferences. By employing these list-building strategies, you'll not only expand your subscriber base but also ensure a receptive audience that eagerly awaits your email campaigns. Section 3. Crafting compelling email content. In this section, we'll delve into the art of creating captivating and persuasive email content that leaves a lasting impression on your subscribers. Crafting compelling email content is essential for driving engagement, conversions, and brand loyalty. The journey starts with an attention-grabbing subject line that entices recipients to open your email. A well-crafted pre-header complements the subject line and offers a glimpse of what's inside. Personalization plays a crucial role in connecting with your audience on a deeper level, so leverage data to address subscribers by their names and tailor content to their preferences. When it comes to the body of your email, focus on clear and concise messaging that delivers value to your readers. Utilize a conversational tone to make your emails more relatable and avoid overly salesy language. Including relevant visuals, such as images or videos, can enhance the overall appeal of your emails and reinforce your message. Lastly, an effective call to action CTA should be prominent and compel readers to take the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, subscribing to a service, or exploring your website. By mastering the art of crafting compelling email content, you'll foster stronger connections with your subscribers and achieve higher engagement rates, ultimately driving the success of your email marketing campaigns. Section 4. Designing eye-catching templates. In this section, we'll explore the crucial role of design in creating visually appealing and impactful email templates. A well-designed email template is essential for grabbing your subscribers' attention and conveying your brand's personality and message effectively. Responsive email design is key in today's mobile-centric world. ensuring that your emails look great and function seamlessly across various devices and screen sizes. Utilize user-friendly and intuitive tools to create professional and visually striking templates that align with your brand's identity. Strive for a clean and clutter-free layout that guides readers' eyes to the most critical elements, such as your headline and CTA. Consistency in design elements, such as colors, fonts, and images, will help reinforce your brand and make your emails easily recognizable. Don't forget to optimize your templates for accessibility, ensuring that all recipients can access and engage with your content, including those with disabilities. By combining creativity, user experience, and brand consistency, you'll create eye-catching templates that leave a lasting impact on your audience and elevate the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. Section 5: Automation and Drip Campaigns. In this section, we'll delve into the power of automation and drip campaigns in streamlining your email marketing efforts and nurturing leads effectively. Automation allows you to set up a series of predefined actions triggered by specific user behaviors or time intervals, enabling personalized and timely interactions with your subscribers. Drip campaigns, a subset of automation, consist of a sequence of emails delivered over time to guide prospects through the customer journey and encourage engagement. These campaigns are particularly useful for lead nurturing, onboarding new customers, re-engaging inactive subscribers, and promoting relevant products or services. When creating drip campaigns, map out your customer's journey and align your content with each stage to deliver the right message at the right time. Test different email sequences and refine them based on data-driven insights to optimize their performance continually. By harnessing the power of automation and drip campaigns, you'll not only save time and resources but also deliver personalized and relevant content that resonates with your audience, ultimately driving higher conversions and long-term customer loyalty. Section 6: Complying with email marketing regulations. In this section, we'll delve into the critical aspect of adhering to email marketing regulations to build trust with your subscribers and maintain a positive sender reputation. Compliance with email marketing laws is not only a legal obligation but also an ethical responsibility. Familiarize yourself with key regulations such as the CAN-SPAM Act in the United States and the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) applicable to the European Union. These regulations dictate guidelines on obtaining consent, providing accurate sender information, including physical addresses, and offering a clear and easy opt-out mechanism for recipients. Ensuring compliance will prevent your emails from being flagged as spam, protect your brand's reputation, and enhance deliverability rates. Additionally, it's essential to be transparent about how you handle and use subscriber data. Implement robust data protection measures and communicate your privacy policy clearly to instill confidence in your subscribers that their information is safe. By prioritizing compliance with email marketing regulations, you'll foster trust with your audience, maintain a positive sender reputation, and lay the foundation for successful and sustainable email marketing campaigns. Section 7: Analyzing and Optimizing Email Campaigns. In this final section, we'll explore the significance of analyzing and optimizing your email campaigns to achieve peak performance and continuously improve your marketing efforts. Data-driven decision-making is essential for understanding the effectiveness of your campaigns and making informed adjustments. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates to gain insights into how your emails are performing. /B testing, split testing, is a powerful technique to compare different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, CTAS, or content, to identify what resonates best with your audience. Use the data gathered to refine your strategies and make iterative improvements that lead to higher engagement and conversions. Regularly clean your email list by removing inactive or unengaged subscribers to maintain a healthy sender reputation and maximize deliverability rates. Consider conducting post-campaign surveys or soliciting feedback from your subscribers to gain valuable insights into their preferences and needs. By adopting a data-driven and iterative approach to analyzing and optimizing your email campaigns, you'll continually enhance their performance, nurture stronger relationships with your audience, and drive better results for your business. Conclusion: email marketing remains a powerful tool in the digital marketing landscape, offering unmatched reach and personalization opportunities.